When growing seedlings or potted plants indoors, the damp soil needed for healthy plants can often be a home to scarid fly larvae. These larvae can damage the plants and also transmit diseases to them. Additionally, when they develop into adults, the scarid flies are a nuisance. These fungus gnats can reproduce very quickly and have overlapping generations, meaning that both flies and larvae are present at the same time. When you are a gardener that's just starting out, tons of conflicting information may leave you wondering where you should start with getting rid of these pests. This is where we introduce you to the Mighty Nem Scarid Fly Killer Kit, a natural and safe package consisting of both our special nematodes and yellow sticky traps to deal with flies of any life stage. Beneficial nematodes are naturally occurring microscopic worms which move through the soil to hunt scarid fly larvae. They infect them and then once inside kill them. Fresher is better, so these natural helpers should be used as soon as possible. After taking your package out of the fridge, mix the contents of the pack in a bucket containing either 0.6 litres of water for the 10 metre squared pack or 1.5 litres of water for the 20 metre squared pack. Add 1/3 of the bucket contents to a watering can and fill the watering can with additional water. Apply to 1/3 of the area to be treated through a coarse rose. Then repeat the above 2 steps until all of the product is used. If applying with a hose end sprayer, mix with water and add to the applicator. Apply evenly over the area to be treated. After applying nematodes, additional water should be applied to the treated area to wash nematodes into the soil. It should be kept moist for 2 weeks after the application to help the nematodes work. Now that the larvae is taken care of, you'll want to get rid of the adults so that the life cycle is stopped for good. Our yellow sticky traps are highly attractive to these flying pests and will easily capture any flies that are left over. All you have to do is place them into the soil next to the affected plant and you're all set. Each kit contains 5 sticky traps as well as 10 million nematodes. Easily order our starter kit with free next day delivery now at andermattgarden.co.uk.